I'm gonna take the limit definition of this integral. Wish me luck. First things first is what is an integral? An integral takes the area under a curve. So what I'm gonna do is I have to find my x and y values. I wanna make rectangles. So my x values are gonna be the distance in between here, which is 6, divided by my another number of rectangles. Next thing I have to do here is I'm gonna do a Riemann sum. I'm gonna take the right-hand side. The right-hand side is gonna be a plus x times I, delta x by the way. So this is gonna be 6n times I plus 0, so just 6ni. Essentially what this is that's the x value at every particular point. But now I have my x values. I need to make that a y value so I have the height. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna plug that in. So I'm gonna get 2 plus 2 times 6in cubed. Okay, so after multiplying, I get this, which is my y value at every particular point, but I have to multiply that by my x value to get my actual rectangle. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna multiply this times this. Okay, so after everything's said and done, I'm gonna get this, which is basically all of my particular y values, but what I have to do is I have to sum it all up to get the whole area. So I'm gonna take a summation. From here, I'm gonna do these separately. I'm gonna take this out, so that's gonna give me 12n, that's gonna give me 1 plus, in this case, I'm gonna take out 2,592 over n to the 4th, and then that's gonna leave me by I to the 3rd. Using summation principles, well, essentially this is gonna be 12n over n times, in this case, 2,592. From here I get this, which is essentially the formula for all the area of the rectangles depending on the number of rectangles that I want, but in this case I want infinite, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the limit. Okay, so in this case all I have to do is take the limit of this because this is the only thing with n actually in it, but notice that the coefficient of the top and the bottom is gonna be 1 and the degrees are the same, so then in other words this whole thing is just equal to 1. 1 times 648 is just 648 and this equals 660. That was torture.